first you have to have that diversity of experiences and perspectives. You don't want people who are too similar because you can myopically follow a path that may not be the right one. You have to have mutual respect. That's equally important. And if you have those unique perspectives, sometimes if there isn't respect, the team will fall apart. And then finally, I think you need to have understanding of the goals and mission. If the team isn't rallied around a common goal, it's also very difficult to be successful. But when you have those three components of diversity, respect, and a common goal, I think that's where the team can really come together and drive mass success.
I've always felt like surround yourself with people that are smarter than yourself, that fill in your own blind spots, and that means diversity. Also, you need to have a diverse set of views. You don't want to create a team that sounds like an echo chamber to yourself, right? I've been part of those types of teams in the past, but yeah, clearly smart people fill in the blind spots and in a very diverse group. And it's amazing what can happen in those types of groups.